In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tab-style menu in Squarespace 7.1. This is a fantastic way to make your website navigation more interactive, clean, and organized, perfect for sites with lots of content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set this up on your own Squarespace site. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and click on the login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. You'll see a few login options. If you want a quick and easy method, select Continue with Google. This option saves time and keeps everything secure. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Go ahead and click on the one where you'd like to add your tab-style menu. That will open up the editor for your site. From here, look to the left-hand side menu and click on Pages. This section controls the structure and layout of your site. You'll see all of your existing pages listed here, and it's also where you can add new ones if you need them for your menu. Now, to style our menu into a tab format, we're going to use a built-in Squarespace tool. Go back to the left-hand side and click on Website Tools. Inside this section, you'll find a variety of customization options, but the one we need is Custom CSS. Click on Custom CSS and you'll see a text editor open up. This is where the magic happens. The Custom CSS editor lets you add your own styling rules on top of the default Squarespace design, which means you can completely control the look of your menu tabs. Here, you'll paste or type in your CSS code. For example, you can use code to create tabs that sit side by side, add spacing, give them a background color, or even highlight the active tab so visitors know exactly where they are on your site. Once you've entered your CSS code, don't forget the most important step: save your work. Look for the Save button in the top right corner of the CSS panel and click it. Without saving, none of your changes will show up on your live website, so make sure you do this every time you add new styles. And just like that, you've successfully created a tab-style menu in Squarespace 7.1. You can always go back to your custom CSS area to adjust colors, spacing, or hover effects until you achieve the exact look you're going for. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks.